It is Friday, November 21st, 2025. A little bit of a late start from camp this morning, but that's okay. I'm all right with that. A couple of fallen trees right away. Right past camp spot. Should be fun. Whoa. There's more up ahead too. I didn't think the storm was that bad. Get past those trees and at mile 125. So good start this morning. Should be almost all downhill today. Gonna try and push the miles. I want to get to Mike's place. Obviously get some water. I'm starting this morning with 2 liters. I'll probably get 2 more liters at Mike's place and then push on to Mike D's place. I say Mike D because I can't pronounce the name. Okay, just stopped to actually put my rain skirt on. Fashion accessory of 2025. Down the mountain, I can see some sun peeking through the clouds. I'm hoping that I will get to experience some sunshine today. Mother Nature does what she wants though, so we'll have to see. Okay, very cool. Right here we got signage from Mike's place. I thought it was further, or I probably would have pushed this last night. That's okay, that's okay. All right, let's head over to Mike's and check things out, top off some water. I don't see anything like this in a while. And then of course there's signage. So we're gonna go this way, go to Mike's. And we're getting some sunshine. I like sunshine. Oh, so this must be the water tanks. This is the water storage here at Mike's place. Looking along here. Don't really see a spigot on this one. There's a busted spigot on that one. But this one, ta-da! Ended up making it a short break. The sun went away and I want to get some miles in. Thank you, Mike, for the water. Much appreciated. Anyway, that was part of Mike's place. The water tanks anyway. Time to get back on trail. $127. All right. Yeah, the sun did not last very long, so I'm glad I'm hitting trail again. No time to waste. Very cool. We're at mile 128 now, and at 5,300 feet elevation. So we're climbing, and that means that we've got 700 feet down to get to break spot. So there will be a descent at some point. I do plan on taking a break at mile 133. That is the county line. We will have hiked the PCT all the way through San Diego County when we hit Riverside. Okay, we just passed mile 129. I didn't check elevation, but we've been climbing this whole time. Looks like we're just coming up on cresting this ridge. Of course, that means it's going to be all downhill, I hope. A little bit of sun poking through. Really welcome sight. All right, check out this valley. Okay, mile 130. And we just started descending about 200 feet back. So it's pretty much climbing all the way from Mike's place to mile 130. Just hit mile 131. So moving along. Been downhill the whole time this last mile. We just passed mile 132 and doing pretty well. Gonna take break at 133, which is right about where the county line is. Ooh, not a break spot yet, but this is the first point where I've felt the sun on me all day. Oh, that feels so nice. I'd love to just take a break here. I'd love to take a nap right here, but we got ways to go. Still about 6 miles to camp too, so keep going. Okay, we just crossed mile 133 and I thought that was the county line. I didn't see any fanfare, so we'll go a little ways. Looking for a good spot to take a break. Ooh, I like this spot. It's got direct sun for now and fairly dry. This is a good spot. Okay, a little bit of sunshine did me well. Latest weather forecast shows no rain till the 6 o'clock hour tonight, so super stoked about that. I've got about 6 miles and 1,000 feet to descend to make it to Mike D's place. I want to get there tonight. I want to camp there. Then it shows rain, going from 6 o'clock tonight through like midnight, and then no rain in the forecast for tomorrow. There's something magical about that break. Maybe it was the peanut butter, could have been a little bit of sunshine. I think it was the weather forecast. Seeing that weather forecast that no rain till 6 o'clock tonight, plus no rain tomorrow, that really lifted my spirits. I am flying downhill right now. Did I mention just hit mile 134? Just hit mile 134. Okay, 135. This is crazy. That was a good mile also. Mostly downhill. Just kind of moving through it. Feeling good. And just like that, was that mile 136? I think so. $137. Gonna get to camp after dark today, so I'll stop pretty soon and get my headlamp out of my bag. We are gonna push on though. Gotta get to Mike D's place tonight. Managed to kill the battery on the GoPro, so we're just gonna use the phone now. All good. It's getting dark. I'm sure temperature's gonna drop some, but we'll keep going. It's what we do. Okay, mile 139. I think I have about 3/4 of a mile to the road. Definitely time to bust out the headlamp. Oh, I just hope I beat this rain. All right, now I can't see. This is considered a road. Okay, this is Coyote Canyon Road, heading up to Mike D's place. Oh, super excited. The sign said 7/10 of a mile. Oh boy, am I tired. Of course it's uphill. That's okay. I'm happy. Not gonna lie, a little creepy, a little scary. Saw some lights up ahead. I'm pretty sure I'm going the right way. Don't see any more signs. So there's been some trails that branched off. Oh my goodness gracious. Last time I checked, far out it showed a quarter mile about from the well. So hopefully this is good.